We're here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange answering your Twitter questions live. I'm joined by Jim Cramer. Jim, let's get right into it. We have Amazon reporting earnings next week. Am Hanlon, 19, wants to know, Amazon, what will their quarter look like? What are expectations?
Okay, last quarter was not so good because they showed a little downtick in revenue. It depends on what kind of peak they give you. If they just stand by the closed mouth thing, then what's going to happen is Amazon is not going to be able to rally. They got to tell us something that tells us that the last quarter was an aberration. If they don't, then it's dead money.
We have another question pitting Johnson Controls against Eaton. B-Man is asking, is JCI a better stock investment than Eaton at these prices?
And that's a tough one, in part because we own them both for ActionAlertsPlus.com, and I know that to be candid, Steph is much more close to them. I do a lot of work with Eaton. I think that Eaton hasn't fallen as much as Johnson Controls, and so therefore Johnson Controls probably better value than Eaton.
Okay, another earnings question. We have UnderArmour coming up next week as well. Jay Des saying, do you think UnderArmour can keep up, or are they too much in the middle of apparel and tech?
It became truly a momentum stock, and it's given up a lot of momentum. The stock was around here after a good quarter. I think UnderArmour can go higher. I think you have to take a little longer-term view because remember, they're moving aggressively into China, they're moving international. I would buy half ahead of the quarter and half after.
All right, thank you so much, Jim. And if you have a question for Jim, make sure to tweet it at Jim Cramer, #CramerQ every Monday. I'm Brittany Umar for The Street.
To get more of Jim's investing ideas, as well as a peek at other stocks he owns in his charitable trust portfolio, sign up for Action Alerts Plus. If you subscribe, you'll get a free signed copy of his new book, Get Rich Carefully, as a thank you. Sign up for Action Alerts Plus at actionalertsplus.com.